Sir, you are doing library here.
No, no, I'm not doing.
Then immediately you should point out, these are my contention.
Serial number 27, Manik Besra versus the State Bank of India, for the petitioner Sri Aditya Narayan Singh.
Kind enough to hear this matter day before yesterday. As on his request, time was granted. Your Lordship, we have given already date and events, but one
My
thing.
request time was over, that's why.
Huh?
Anyway,
On the last time was over. On the last minute, time was over, that's why the hearing was not concluded.
okay. Your Lordship, we have given the dates and event, but one thing is missing in that date and event.
Huh?
One thing, one fact is missing in that Your Lordship may take cognizance or may not. That is the criminal case. The bank itself filed a criminal case. We have annexed the FIR.
No, he was facing criminal case. He was facing criminal case.
No.
Then?
In date and events what I have given, one thing is missing. The date of lodging the FIR and date of the disposal of the case by the learned trial court. That is not there.
What is the date of filing FIR?
Your Lordship, date of filing FIR is 11/10/2007.
11.
10/2007. And after investigation, final form was submitted on 30th November 2007.
30th November
2007.
2007.
2007. And in spite of the notice to the informant
No,
bank.
what is the outcome of criminal proceeding? He
Your
has been
Lordship,
acquitted?
No, yes, completely.
No, acquitted, discharged.
Discharged by the police.
Say so.
That's Your Lordship. Then
You have filed an application for discharge. You
No.
have been discharged.
No.
Then?
Police found that there is no case against
So
the
B report has been filed.
report was filed. And
B report has been filed.
And then the
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I have annexed. I have annexed that.
No,
Therefore,
I can't make out from the document that it is a B report
That-
or.
That's I'm sorry because.
So I'm entirely depending upon your version.
The only one fact, Your Lordship, the criminal cases. I know the limitation, whatever the impact upon my case or not. But when the matter was referred, final form was submitted to the learned trial court. The trial court issue notices to them. You please come and protest the.
File a protest petition against the
They
B report.
did not appear in spite of the notices.
Anyway, B report was accepted by the trial court.
Trial court. It
on,
was
on 30th November 2007.
no, on 27/3/2010.
Huh?
On 27/3/2010.
27?
3 March 2010.
2008.
No, 10 means
Huh?
10, 2010.
It was accepted.
It was accepted.
But report was filed on 30th November 2007.
7. Report was filed. That's Your Lordship for kind consideration. I may draw my Lordship's attention. Every bank officer, every connected person was investigated, all record confronted, and then a final form that it was found that it is a mistake of fact. Nobody.
All right, now submit your, give the dates and events.
That's it. I had given. There are only 3 dates are relevant.
What is wrong with the penalty order? What is the punishment?
Punishment, Your Lordship, the removal.
Removal.
And in appeal, the appellate authority himself found several deficiencies in the proceeding, but maintained the punishment order.
What is wrong with the removal? You tell me the grounds now.
Yes.
Grounds under which you are challenging a penalty order and appeal.
Penalty order and appeal. Because, Your Lordship, the proceeding initiated, first ground, Your Lordship may kindly consider, before my second so cause, second reply, so reply to the second so cause, the termination order was written.
Reply to second show cause? What happened?
Punishment was already written.
Already?
Written. There, Your Lordship, they kindly see the.
In the second show cause notice itself, they have indicated that the proposed penalty is
yes,
removal.
Removal. But before I submit my explanation in pursuant to the second so cause notice, they had already, therefore, 2 dates have been referred. 2 dates. Your Lordship, Annexure 1, page 17. Your Lordship will find 17/26, 2010.
Page 17.
Page 17. Date 17/26. The second so-called reply to the second so-called notice, page 89.
No, sir. What is this title of this document? Annexure 1, page 17. Imposition of penalty.
Imposition of penalty.
Huh.
Yes. Punishment order.
Punishment order. You, for what purpose you are pointing out this?
I have challenged this order. I have challenged.
Correct. I do understand. On what grounds you are challenging?
Because your Lordship, in appeal, the appellate authority himself finds several deficiencies in the proceeding. Your Lordship kindly have a look to the appellate order.
Sir, one by one we'll go.
Huh.
Is there any defect in the punishment order?
Yes.
What is that?
Your Lordship, the punishment order is based upon the inquiry report.
Huh?
Inquiry report.
Inquiry report?
Inquiry report of the inquiry officer.
Huh, what happened? Inquiry
In
report?
inquiry report, your Lordship, 4 charges were against me. Inquiry report found in first report they say against the first charge, they say कि partly proved. And what is the reason given to when they came to know that? Therefore, your Lordship, may I read the charge first? Therefore,
Sir, we are not on merits. We are only on the technicalities, legal issues.
yes,
So,
legal,
Supreme-
illegal. Page 89, your Lordship can read.
What is page 89?
Inquiry report.
Page 88 is a reply to the
I'm sorry,
second
49.
show cause
I'm
notice.
extremely sorry. It is page 49.
Huh?
49. I'm sorry. Your Lordship, some problem is there in my throat. Therefore, I.
Then if you want time, I'll grant
No,
you
no,
time.
no, because your Lordship, if it can be kept tomorrow, then it will maybe. But yesterday, when case I was appearing on behalf of the petitioner, bank respondent came, and 3 months time was granted without our consent. Therefore, I am very afraid. Your Lordship.
Sir, you are doing library here.
No, no, I'm not doing.
Then immediately you should point out these are my
That's-
are my contention.
Therefore, your Lordship, I think it's some problem in my throat. If
We'll-
it is
we'll
tomorrow,
take up
it-
this next week at the
Your
request of the
Lordship,
council for
tomorrow,
the.
it may kindly be passed over, only passed over, very temporary.
Get ready soon.
Tomorrow I will be ready, if your Lordship.
Next week at the request of the council for the petitioner. Release this matter next week.
It will
Sir,
go-
on fingertips you have to say these are my grounds. You can't read papers here.
Then, if your Lordship permit me to.
Sir, if you have any difficulty, you write down and bring here and say these are my grounds. You can't search here and
No.
find out the ground.
Then your Lordship may kindly, I am only,
Huh?
may kindly hear this matter.
Sorry. Yes.
Serial number
Totally
28.
there is a non-cooperation.
I wanted to cooperation, but because of my
Sir,
health-
you are searching for in the inquiry report.
Serial number 28, Lal Bahadur Ram versus the State of Bihar for the petitioners Dr. Kamal Dev Sharma.